excuse me. How are you guys?
Good.
I love you guys' outfits. Would you
Thank
guys
you.
mind if I take a quick picture of you guys?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah? Yeah?
Why not?
Yeah? Could I have you over here if you guys don't mind? What's your guys' names?
I'm Lindsay.
Lindsay, good to
Yeah.
meet you. Eddie.
Kimia.
What? Kimia?
Yeah.
Can I have you guys over here? If you
Sorry,
don't
we're
mind?
still energy. We're coming out of a conference.
No
Like,
worries, no worries,
got us.
no worries. It
That
should be
makes
this one.
sense.
Yeah, yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Great.
And would you guys mind sharing what makes you guys happy in life?
Yeah. It's a great question. Happy.
I think being surrounded by the people I love, like
Okay.
friends and family, and
Awesome.
like having them close to me.
Yes.
Yeah. I think like really fat animals.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
like
Okay.
a chunky dog.
Okay.
Or like a big cat.
Okay, that's
I think
awesome.
those
Yeah,
like
those
good
are
food.
those are always the best friends, you know.
I think those, and yeah,
Yeah.
I think
Awesome.
that's it. Traveling too. This is
Yeah.
our first time in New Haven. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Welcome to New Haven.
Thank you. We're gonna go get a salad. So.